Honda would like to make a point about the new car. It goes an EPA estimated 51 miles per gallon, 67 highway. It's the #1 gas mileage car in America, period. The new Honda Civic CR-X. The longest distance between 2 ports.
Hello YouTube, this is Kurt, and welcome to the Kurt Winters YouTube channel, dedicated to bring you advice on collecting cars and celebrating the history of these amazing machines. This channel is focused on helping you with your car or restoration project. Now, the car is a 2-owner, 5-speed with a completely Survivor interior. It is very, very cool in here. Now, we believe the restoration on this car was done about 5 or 6 years from a owner in Austin who had a true passion for the CRX. Now, this is the first gen CRX. He got a great deal on it, I gotta say. One thing that I really, really love about the restoration is he stuck with the bone stock look. If you put this car next to the same CRX in the same year off the showroom floor, I promise, it'd be impossible to tell them apart.
For the 1984 year, Honda introduced an all-new 2-seater that shared the drivetrain with the Civic, but offered unique styling and interior furnishings. In North America, the CRX was marketed in 2 versions, Economy and Sport. The Economy model used a new aluminum 1.3-liter CVCC engine, while the Sport model featured an aluminum 1.5-liter 4-cylinder with 3 valves per cylinder and available 5-speed manual or 3-speed automatic. Part of the car's main selling point was the original 1.3-liter, which had an EPA highway estimated mileage rating of 52 miles per U.S. gallon. In 1984, it was often reported to achieve over 70 miles per gallon in favorable driving conditions. The later 1.4-liter American market CRX HF, which stood for High Fuel Economy model, could also reliably achieve very good gas mileage. More than a decade before gas-electric hybrids even appeared on the market. And at no price premium over the base model, the 1.5-liter is rated by the U.S. government EPA at 42 miles per gallon and 51 miles highway. The car went through significant changes in 1988 as that became the second generation. From its original torsion bar in the front and beam axle and trailing link arm to a 4-wheel double wishbone suspension, in line with its sister Civic models. Outside of the US, the second generation CRX was now available with a 1,493cc or single overhead cam with an updated version of the 1,590cc dual overcam ZC engine. Many of these were fitted with fuel injection as standard. The VTEC equipped models also received a makeover with updated bumpers, lights, hood, brakes, suspension, and dashboard designs, among other things. Additionally, some of these design changes were added to the non-current VTEC models. One of the options for the Japanese domestic market CRX was a glass roof, a fixed glass panel which stretched from the top of the windshield down to the top of the hatch opening. Relatively common in Japan, these fixed glass roof models are now highly sought after by collectors. The car reached its 3rd generation in 1992 when Honda replaced the CRX with a new targa top, Civic-based model called the Honda CRX del Sol, otherwise known simply as the Honda del Sol. The Del Sol was also badged as the CRX Del Sol in some markets.
When all the others thought they had finally caught up, Honda took off with another engineering masterpiece. The brand new Civic CRX, the #1 gas mileage car in America. Honda will again be leading the industry in 1984. See your Puget Sound Honda dealer today.
We've had an awesome day today. This was a kick-ass garage. We got to see some really cool cars. And remember, if you like this free content, go ahead and subscribe so you can be notified of the newest uploads to this channel. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Tell us what you're driving, Billy.
1984 Honda CRX, baby.
Oh yeah? You want to go back to 84?
Oh, that would be amazing, actually.
Heck yeah.
Not be 4 years old, though.
Yeah. Thanks again, brother.
In time.
You have a good rest of your day. Peace, love, and Hondas.